Hope you are doing well. Now today I am going to show you something. Can you see this picture? What is this? Can you see this? What is this? This is a snake. Then what is this? What is this? This is an egg. Then what is this? This is an umbrella. Then what is this? This is the Taj Mahal. So, can you see these words A, N, and this the? These A and the. These are what? These A and the. What do we call them? We call them articles. So our today's topic is articles. So these words A, N, and the. These are the articles. Today we will learn how to use them correctly. So, first of all, we see article a. We use article a with the words starting with a consonant sound. Like, for example, a ball, a bat, a boy, a cat, a cow. Whenever there is a consonant sound, not only the word consonant but also the consonant sound, and there we use article and what then article n. We use article n, this article n before the words starting with a vowel sound. Means we use n before the words who start with a vowel sound. For example, an umbrella. Umbrella start with a. A is a vowel sound. Egg. An egg. Egg. A start with the egg. Egg start. Egg. What is the starting sound? Egg. A. A is the vowel sound. Okay. And apple. A is a vowel sound. So whenever we get a vowel sound in the beginning, there we use article n. You need to keep in very deep of your mind one concept, the concept of vowel sound and consonant sound. We must be careful while looking at the starting sound. So we must know about the vowel and consonant sound. Basically, we don't have got the good idea of vowel and consonant sounds. Actually, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. But the sounds are more than that. Like vowel sounds are more than that. More vowel sounds are there. In the same way, for example, if you see uh, a is a vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. E is a vowel sound. U is a vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. O is a vowel sound. Okay, and consonant sounds, if you see, ka is a vowel. Ka is a consonant sound. Kha is a consonant sound. Ga is a consonant sound. Pa is a consonant sound. Pha, ba is a consonant sound. Ma is a consonant sound. So e u, these are the vowel sounds, and ka, kha, pa, pha, and all that, they are consonant sounds. So you need to see in the beginning which kind of sound is coming. For example, HOUR. H is a consonant, but look at the sound R. R sound is coming. R starting sound A. R A. R starting with the sound A. And A is a vowel sound. So we must use NR. In the same way, Honest. Honest start with the word with the letter consonant. H is a consonant. But look at the sound. Honest. Honest. Ah is a vowel sound. So an honest man, an honest person. And look at this. UNION. U is a vowel. You know, AEIOU. U is a vowel. But union, ya is a consonant sound. Ya is not an a I, u, u. Okay, ya is a consonant sound. Union, ya sound is coming. That's why it is giving consonant sound. Though it is the letter is vowel, but sound giving consonant sound. So we must use a union. Is that clear? So it doesn't matter whether a vowel comes or consonant comes. You need to look at the sound. If the sound comes like a vowel, use an. Sound comes like a consonant, use a. Article a. Okay. Like Europe or European. E is a vowel. But look at the sound. European, ya coming. And European, ya is a consonant sound. So we will say a European. So these are the few examples that I told you. That this is not necessary that whether the word start with the vowel or consonant, but we need to look at the sound of the word. Okay, to understand that. So look at the. So this is from this we can say that look at the starting sound, not the starting word. For using this, we need to look at the starting sound. If the starting sound comes vowel, then use article N. If starting sound comes consonant, then use article A. Clear? Now you can see the last article the. Where do we use article the? So there are a few things where we use article the. First thing, before the famous buildings and monuments like the Taj Mahal. Before Taj Mahal we use the, like the India Gate. Okay, you can see these examples. The India Gate, the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple, the Qutub Minar, the Eiffel Tower. Any famous building or famous monument is there. There we can use article the before them. Clear? And now comes to the second thing. Before the rivers and mountains and oceans, etc. For example, the Ganga is a river. The Yamuna, the Amazon is also a river, you know. Amazon, name of the river. Amazon is the name of a river. The Nile, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. You know about the oceans. And mountains like the Himalayas, the Alps, and the Aravallis. So these are the mountains and oceans and rivers. So before names of these, we also use article the. Next, coming to the point, before celestial objects, you know, the objects of the solar system and the universe, like the sun, the moon, the earth, the Saturn, the Mars, Jupiter. Before them also we use the. Next comes our before a particular thing. Most important use of article the is before a particular thing, person or thing. We use the before a particular person or thing. Suppose that, look at this example. I saw a car in the park. Here you can see I used a for the car, article a for the car. Now look at the next sentence. The car was red in color. The car, you can see here the car. In the same way, you can see that first time we used a car because car starting with the consonant sound, and consonant sound Ka is coming for consonants. Ka is a consonant sound, so we used article a. But second time you can see we used article da. Why we used article da for the car? So this you need to keep in mind. It means that I saw a car in the park. First sentence is saying I saw a car in the park. First time when he saw the car, then it was in the park, so we used a car. The second sentence, the car was red in color. It means that we are talking about the same particular car that I saw in the park. The car was red in color. Which car was red in color? It means the car. The car means that particular car which I saw in the park was red in color. When we talk about some particular thing or particular person, then we use this article the. Suppose that, for example, if I say I saw an old man. I saw an old man. So old, before old be first time be used n, because o is a vowel sound, and for old man we use an old man. Okay. And the second sentence, I saw an old man. Then I see second sentence, the old man was blind. So the old man. Now why you used the old man? First time you used an old man. Now you use the old man, because I am talking about the particular old man whom I saw in the market. Okay, I saw an old man in the market, or then the old man was blind. The old man means that particular old man whom I saw in the market. The old man was blind. It means the particular old man whom I saw in the market was blind. So this is what the use of the that you need to understand. This is for the particular person or thing. We can use also the. Okay, when it comes for the second time. Do you understand that? I hope you understand that. And with the help of this, you can solve the exercises of the articles. And if there is any doubt, ask me in the doubt session. Okay, thank you. Thank you, children.